Hey guys, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are good and doing well. So in this lecture, we will discuss about Git stuff. Okay, let's say you worked on some task, you created the changes into your project, and you edit those files to create a commit on the git, and then let's say you make some mistake in your commit. For example, you write some commit which is not explaining your task or your changes, or you make some typo mistakes in the commit. Okay, so how you can reset those commits into the local environment. Okay, so we will discuss that thing in this lecture. So let me make first some changes here. So here you can see that we have search jobs. Okay, so let's try to make this typo. Hey, let's try to update this spelling, which is search jobs. Okay, so here what we can do, that we can go to the jobs index. Okay, so come to the jobs index, and here you can see that we have search jobs, and then let's say we can make it, let's say, search your jobs here. Okay, search your jobs. Okay, and then when you refresh the page, you will see it is showing you search your jobs. Now what you need to do, that you created this change, and now you have to add this file to git, and then you will push a create your commit, and then you will push it to the pr or the base branch or whatever your branch is. Okay, so now let's see how we can reset the wrong commits. So first go to the terminal and get status. This is your first approach. Make get status. Okay, and then you can see that we make changes in this file. So git add, git add app. Okay, and then git status. So you added this file to for creating the commit on the git. Okay, now let's try to make git commit minus m. Okay, and then let's say blah blah blah, you type this. Okay, so it created a commit. Now if you see git log, you will see that this is showing your latest commit on the git. Okay, but this is not a valid commit, and this is not a standard commit, because this is justifying nothing. Okay, I just added this commit as to show you that how we can reset the wrong commit. Okay, so let's say sometimes you make some typo. For example, let's say I just quit it. Okay, for example, sometimes you make commit like, let's say, git commit minus m, and then let's say uh, added job title. Okay, for example, let's say by mistake you created such commits on the local. Okay, then after committing, you realize that you made the mistake in your commit, like for the typo, or it is not the correct commit. So how you need to reset that before pushing your code to the github. Okay, so we will see that how we can do that. So first make it, and if you have to do that, so git reset hyphen hyphen, git reset hyphen hyphen soft head, and then here you need to mention one. So git reset is for resetting your last commit, and hyphen hyphen soft, that you are only uncommitting your changes, or you are just reverting your changes. You are not modifying anything that you did the change. Okay, so you, when you use git reset hyphen hyphen soft, okay, so it will just undo your commit and keep the changes that you make. So git reset hyphen hyphen soft head, and then this mark, and then one. Okay, so this is representing that you are trying to reset one commit from the git. Okay, so git reset hyphen hyphen soft head. So you can see git status, you will see that this commit is reverted now, and if you check the git log again, you can see that that commit has been removed from your commit history. Okay, on the local itself. Okay, not for, this is the command you can not use for your remote branches. Okay, so you can see that the commit has been removed now. So now what you can do, you can, let's say, for example, git status. Okay, and let's say you want to remove this file from edit list. Okay, so what you can do, git reset. Okay, so now this file is again checked, marked as the untracked file. Okay, that means you did not track this file. So when you do git status, okay, you can see that this file is now untracked, and you can change it. You can see the changes. Okay, so this is how you can reset your wrong commits or typo mistake commits from the local branches. So what is the command? Let me type again. So git reset hyphen hyphen soft head, and then the number of commits that you want to reset. Okay, so you can do it like that. And it could be happen like, for example, you created a commit in which you add the files that you don't want to add. Okay, so you can do, after running this git reset hyphen hyphen soft head command, you can reset the git, so it will add your tracked files to untracked files, and then you can skip the files that you added mistakenly into your commit. Okay, so this is how it will work. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to remember, because most of the times, or a lot of time, you might face these kind of situation. Because personally I faced this a lot of time, because sometimes, let's say, in typing the key commit message, I make some typo mistake, or sometimes while adding git add all, I add some files which has not to be on the git. So in that case, I need to use this command to reset my commit and keep the unwanted files in the untracked mode. Okay, so you need to use this command. So remember this command as git reset hyphen hyphen soft head, and then number of commits that you want to reset. Okay, but make sure that this is the command only work for your local branch, not for the remote branch. Okay, so that's all for this lecture. I hope you find it helpful. Okay, and we will meet into the next lecture with upcoming tasks for this project. Okay, so keep watching, and we will meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, stay safe.